There are some extensions that you can add to the Chrome browser that will give you some marvelous tools that you can use to help you be successful in any class. It will extend the features of the Chrome browser. It'll only work on the Chrome browser though. If you're using the Chromebook, then you're using the Chrome browser all the time. If you're on a computer that is not a Chromebook, then you need to use the Chrome browser and sign in to the Chrome browser. See your teacher if you need help with that step. So first you need to install the extension you're interested in. Now there's two places you can go for that. You might be looking at this Google Slides presentation, or you can go to this page on Sierra Vista's website, and you can type in that right there without any spaces there. DOSD Chrome extensions was the idea there. And all of these links will take you to the extensions I'm going to recommend. I'm not going to go through all of them right now, but I will talk about just a couple. So first is Screencastify. And you see it says remove from Chrome. That's because I'm using that right now. So of course it is installed on this account. You would just click add to Chrome. And the way that looks, I have Google Translate here. This I have not added. This is how that would work. You click add to Chrome. And it's going to ask you a question here. Don't be nervous about some of the statements that you might see on the screen. It has to get permission to do things in order to do what you're asking it to do. So just click Add Extension whenever you see that, and it'll show right up here, Google Translate has been added to Chrome, and it says use this extension by clicking on the icon. You notice I've added some others. I'll be talking about those in just a minute, but that's how you use it. We can close that. And if you do this process successfully, you'll have these all sitting right here ready to use. You can move them around if you'd like later. This is just my preference of where to put them. So next, so I talked about Screencastify. Tab Scissors is a great one. Whether you're on a Chromebook or on any other computer, you can click this extension to quickly look at two tabs side by side. That would be if you want to see maybe an article that you're reading over here and the question you have on Edgenuity over here. That'd be a great reason to do that. There's many other situations where you might want to see two tabs side by side as a student or a teacher, but that's Tab Scissors. And then Tab Glue over here, I'll close this. Tab Glue over here does the exact opposite. It puts them back together when you're ready to tidy things up. Read and Write for Google. This is absolutely incredible. And for any of these, you can look at a demonstration, some more explanation about what it does. It'll read text to you out loud. So there are many other features that go away after this. The free trial period is over, but the features that are left are still worth having, worth the trouble of doing all this. Grammarly is a good one that will spell check. It will check your grammar and for punctuation. And it'll underline those issues in red for you to fix. It's really powerful, really convenient. Once you install it, you'll see a screen like this. And since you're signed in with Google, you can just click on Continue with Google, and it'll continue that process. Next and last that I'm going to mention is Distraction Free for YouTube. Now, sometimes you might be using YouTube in the classroom because your teacher tells you to. You're watching a video that you're supposed to learn from, but there's all kinds of stuff on the side here where I'm pointing or the comments underneath. If you install this extension, it'll get rid of all that, and it'll just really be helpful for you to perhaps focus.